Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve connection on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.